Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make exciting macaron blind boxes. First, grasp the blind box concept where customers discover a surprise treat. Next, select a fun theme like Enchanted Forest or Tropical Paradise to guide your flavors and colors. Finally, collect your macaron ingredients, piping bags, and small, opaque boxes for packaging. Now, let's get baking. Prepare your macaron batter and divide it to create shells in several vibrant colors. While they bake, whip up a range of delicious fillings. Think about contrasting textures and tastes, perhaps a tangy raspberry buttercream or a rich coffee ganache. Ensure each macaron offers a distinct and delightful flavor experience. The packaging is key to the blind box excitement. Find or create small, opaque boxes that perfectly fit one macaron, keeping the surprise hidden. Embellish them with ribbons, custom stickers, or a unique stamp to enhance the theme. Don't forget to tuck in a small card revealing the macaron's flavor once opened, adding to the reveal. It's time for assembly. Gently place one unique macaron into each decorated box, ensuring a snug fit. Seal them up, ready for their grand reveal. Share your creations on social media, building anticipation and excitement for your customers. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Get ready to delight your audience with these exciting, mysterious treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.